video for you. Etong time na tong ginagawa ko tong video. Kanina, magkagalit tayo, di ba? Dahil dun sa camera. Sorry. Tapos, umalis ka ng galit ka sa akin. Alam ko, galit ka sa akin. Tapos, pagdating mo, pinili mo pa ako ng damit. So, salamat. Eto, video ko for you. Sana magustuhan mo tong video na to. I love you, Mama.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no power from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
Hi, Ma. Sana nagustuhan mo yung video na ginawa ko para sa'yo. Happy birthday ulit. Salamat sa lahat. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Mahal ka namin nila, Kuya. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.